Hi, beloveds. Not all posted job ads are attached to real job openings. HR professionals like myself who've been around a while, we know this. And as a job applicant, you might have already suspected this yourself after not getting any callbacks. So yes, it could be because you don't have a good resume and cover letter. So be sure to get that taken care of with the help of a professional. That way you know that that's not the reason why you're not getting callbacks. The next thing to do is to apply to places that are posting jobs they actually plan to fill. Most recently, the Wall Street Journal investigated this phenomenon, and they found it to be true. In their survey, out of 1,000 managers, they found that 27% reported having job postings up for more than 4 months. So why? Why do they do this? The survey revealed a few answers. Here's a few. One is because they wanted to give the impression the company was growing. So by posting jobs, it makes it look like, oh, they're growing, and they think that's a good thing. Another reason is because they wanted to keep the listing up to placate workers who were overworked. So they wanted to give the impression that help was coming, though they knew it wasn't. They never actually even planned to hire for the posted position. Pardon my background noise. Anyway, they also wanted to create a pool of ready applicants if an employee quits. So just in case, there's someone who they're thinking is going to quit, they may post a job opportunity up there before the person even quits. And who knows exactly when that person's going to quit. So the job can stay up there a long time, potentially. Also, sometimes they post a job up there just hoping that they can get this irresistible candidate, even though they don't really have a space for them yet. They're just out there kind of looking. Another one is just being human and lack of coordination. So sometimes a job gets filled, but then the company does decide to, remove the job because it's filled, but they don't do it quickly enough. Removing the job up from online postings isn't a priority. It can get forgotten, believe it or not. It can get forgotten. It's just not a priority to take it down, even though it's filled. So, what can you do about it? Well, when I work with clients in my career consulting private practice, I let them know which industries and job posting boards where this is more common. I also share my special strategy for confirming if a job is real or not, and it's easy. And so that tip is reserved for my current clients, but I will share with you today just 2 out of the 10 tips that I have on this issue. And so I hope that you'll find them helpful. First, industries like the federal and state governments, they have strict policies on job postings, stricter policies than you might find in the private sector. So, even though in the federal and state government you may occasionally see job postings for like open-ended jobs, if you see a job posting in the federal or state government, cases, it's probably the case that that is a legit job, okay? Second, believe it or not, you can indeed find legit jobs on Craigslist. You gotta be careful, there are scams there too, but you can find legit jobs on Craigslist. And Craigslist deletes job boards or job posts after 2 weeks automatically. So chances are, if the job is still up, it's probably recent and it's likely real. So those are just 2 examples. Now, from my experience, employers who post ghost jobs, which is what we call these, on Craigslist, they don't even bother with Craigslist because they know it's not going to stay up that long. Unless they put additional effort into posting it up again every 2 weeks. They would rather, if they're going to post a ghost job, they're going to go to other job boards that don't, automatically delete them so often. So I hope those 2 tips are helpful for you. And if you would like my help, send me an email or a direct message. I am happy to help. Until next time, beloveds, take care. Bye-bye.